Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Instagram grids and mostly why you should be creating your posts on Instagram according to your feed and your Instagram grids. And I know what you're wondering, I know what you're asking. Amin, why the fuck do you have a hat on? Basically, I thought, why not? You know what, the bandana thing wasn't working. I might bring it back in the future, you never know. But for now, I thought, why not try the hat? My hair underneath this is appalling, because I thought, why the hat? Why do I need to wash my hair, you know? Like, why? But, yeah, we're just... Instagram grids. Alright, basically, Instagram grids are all about first impressions, alright? When someone goes on your account, alright, they are not going to see the first post that you sent. They're going to see your grid, alright? The moment you go on your account, alright, you see the grid. And that grid is important, alright? There are so many styles you can put for your grid. I got an example right here. This is from a page that I follow. So here's a page. So what they have is, on the right hand side, there's like quotes. On the left, the two rows, it's like, why are you texting me? There's like two pictures of like the thing. It's really good. That's like a really good idea. That's like one way to like do your feed, and that is like your first impression. When you go on that account, you say, oh my god, that actually looks really good, and you're gonna follow that. The point of this episode is the point of this video is to tell you guys that the Instagram grids will equal to more followers. Alright? You might be asking, it's not such a big deal, but just listen to this video. There's so many ways you can create your feed to make your feed look better and outstanding. Alright, for example, there's this one photographer called Brandon Waffle. Alright, I'm gonna put something right here. And basically, what he does in post, he like puts a frame on the picture. So when he posts each picture, it looks, on the feed, it looks like that. As you see right there, wherever I'm gonna put it. And it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Well, you can also do, you don't have to have editing skills to do this. You can also have like, let's say you have a feed going post. So what you can do, you can have a row of red things and then put the red rows and put something, a red car and red something and then yellow and then purple. You can have so many different things you can do. So many different things you can do. And it's all about how you post them. Alright? Like, the pictures you make might look good, but at the same time, when people go on your account, they're not going to see that picture. They're going to see everything. So you need to make sure that your account looks good. So when people go on your account, that their first impressions are going to be like, OMG, follow. Straight away, follow. There you go. And then they're going to go for each individual picture and be like, oh my god, that's even better, like. They're going to comment. Alright, that's how Instagram works. Alright, in this generation, anyways. I don't know what's going to happen in 20 years' time. But, for example, what I'm trying to do on my Instagram account, if you follow me on Instagram, you should plug. Yes. So what I'm trying to do a black and white theme, and I'm trying to put frames on it. Alright? So, I'm going to put a picture right here what it's going to look like at the end. Alright? I'm trying to like put some frames on it, on that way, and then put it all together. It looks kind of nice. So when people go on my account, they're going to be like, oh my god, that looks amazing the way he did that. And they're going to like, they're going to follow. Alright? It's amazing. So, to show you guys an example of how this all works, alright, I'm going to make my own Instagram account, a separate Instagram account. I'm going to get some posts on Instagram, make some quotes in Photoshop, and I'm going to put them on there, and I'm going to tell you what I'm on about, alright? Alright, you hear this? It's done. Alright, there you go. So we got quotes, we got suits, we got cars. This is just an example, alright? You can't follow this account, this is a private account, sorry guys. But this is basically what I'm talking about. The grid, it's amazing. So let's say you're on Instagram, you see this post, this one car, you're like, okay, let's see the account. You click on the account, you see this. Boom. It goes in your face like, oh, quotes, suits, cars. Follow. Done. Boom. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Instagram grids are important, alright? You can do so many stuff like that, or you can put in post edit, you can put some frames on it, you can try anything. Go beyond your wildest imaginations. And what I want you to do is tag me in, like, let's say you post on your story what your grid looks like. Tag me in it. Alright, let me see. I might repost it. I might put it on my story. Like, so, thank you for watching. I will see you all next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.